How to fade songs on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can fade your songs on Spotify. It is an easy and simple process, so let's get started. Firstly, click on the initial of your profile at the top left corner and you will see the different options, from which click on the settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you see the option that says crossfade in the section playback. As you can see on the screen, I haven't enabled my crossfade option. That means there will be no any transition when playing the song. So in order to enable it, just click on the slider and adjust to your preferred duration. For example, I want to adjust my slider to the 5 seconds. That means the last 5 seconds of the song you are playing will be faded into the first 5 seconds of the song you are playing next. So that's it. I hope you understood how you can crossfade songs on Spotify. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.